Good morning, Year 6. This is your science lesson for today, and we are going to be continuing our work on classification. So in your science books, could you please put today's date, which is Monday the 18th of January. Pause this video now while you do that. Excellent. Can you remember last week's discussion? As a class, we talked about classification. If you remember, we said classification is the arrangement or the sorting of animals and plants into groups according to their similarities. This allows scientists, who are also called taxonomists, to observe and understand their similarities and their differences more clearly. What I would like you to do now is write a definition of classification into your books. Pause this video and write a definition. On the screen is an example of a classification key. This is a simplified version of how taxonomists sort animals. So we have a selection of animals, and I have decided to sort them based on the characteristic of legs. So I have put 4 legs and then not 4 legs. So my range of animals have been sorted. I have lion, giraffe, rhino, frog, meerkat, dog and newt in the animals with 4 legs. And I have a penguin, spider, octopus, snail and a cockroach in the group with not 4 legs. What then happens is that the taxonomists will then sort this into an even smaller group. So we can sort these into mammals and not mammals. So in my mammals we have lion, giraffe, rhino, meerkat and dog. Last week we talked about the characteristics of mammals, so hopefully you've remembered them. Again, we can now simplify or sort this group even further on characteristics that are similar. So I'm going to sort them again into carnivores and not carnivores. So in my carnivores I can put lion, meerkat and dog. Not carnivores are giraffes and rhinos, and this is the process scientists will use. They will continue to do this until there is just one animal left in each box. So your task today, Year 6, is to complete some research. Carl Linnaeus, or Carolus Linnaeus as he was Swedish, was the creator of the classification system. Today, I would like you to undertake some research about Carl and the system that he created. So you can do this in 2 ways. You can either create a fact file or you can create a non-chronological report. Your work must be informative and it must be set out neatly for the reader to easily navigate. In your work, you must answer the following questions. So if you are doing a fact file, for example, you might have a box with the heading, Who was Carl Linnaeus? You can use your research skills to find out some interesting facts about Carl, and I would like you to write them in your Carl Linnaeus fact box. You then might have an additional box titled, What is classification? With an explanation of classification. Then your next section will be what is the classification system. So I expect you to have a really good paragraph about what is the classification system and explaining it to the reader. The next title would be how do scientists classify living things? And then what is a classification key? So I've just shown you one, you might want to do your own example. Now, Britannica on your RM Unify has all the information that you need. You will have to put in the search bar Carolus Linnaeus, exactly as it is here, or biological classification, and that will bring up all the information you need. You can additionally use Google to add any extra information, or BBC Bite Size. Okay? Good luck with your task today. I am really looking forward to seeing some of your work. You have all been producing excellent fact files in your theme lessons, so this will look something similar to what you have been doing in those books. Okay? So good luck, and I will see you soon.